To make this work, the first step is to make sure that your LG Smart TV is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your iPhone. So to go ahead and do this, we're going to press the settings button on your LG remote control, the one that has a gear icon, and then you're going to get some options on the left side. We scroll down and we select network. You press the OK button, and now you're going to get the network settings, and we're going to select the one that says Wi-Fi connection, and you should see the Wi-Fi network that your TV is connected to. Okay, grab your iPhone, and now you're going to swipe down your finger from the top right hand corner, and you're going to get access to the quick access menu. And of course, right here we're going to look for two rectangles. You're going to select that icon, and you're going to see that your iPhone starts looking for available devices, and your LG Smart TV name is going to pop up right there, and you just have to touch it once, and now you're going to see a passcode on your LG screen. Of course, you get that code and you're going to enter that code into your iPhone. As you can see right now, we enter that passcode and we select OK, and they are going to get connected. As you can see, super simple. And now you just touch outside that box. You touch outside that box, and now you can see everything you have on your iPhone on your LG Smart TV screen. You can watch your photos, your videos, you can check your browser, you can look for any website on your Safari browser, and you're going to see it on a bigger screen as well. And that's how we screen mirror our iPhone into our LG Smart TV screen. If you have questions, of course, you can go ahead and comment down below, and I'm gonna go ahead and help you out, alright? So thank you for watching this video. If you really wanna help a brother out, I would appreciate if you subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much, and take care of yourself. Bye bye now. And now to disconnect your iPhone from your LG Smart TV, this is simple as well. You swipe down your finger from the top right as well, and you select the two rectangles, and you're going to see an option that says stop mirroring. You select that option, and your TV is going to be disconnected from your iPhone. Right after that, you just press the home button on your LG remote control, and you can use your LG TV as you normally do.